Imagine the engine is a very strong metal pump hero that pushes the car forward. It breathes in air. It's like taking a breath. Air goes inside. It compresses it very hard. The piston, a metal part inside, moves up and squeezes the air very, very strongly. Because of this, the air becomes very hot. Diesel is added. Diesel fuel is injected into the hot compressed air. Because it's so hot, the fuel ignites by itself without a spark. A small explosion. A small controlled boom happens. The explosion pushes the piston down. The car moves. The piston turns the shaft turns the wheels, and the car moves forward. And this happens many times per second, thousands of little booms, all controlled by a computer. Why the turbo? This Land Cruiser has a turbo. It's like a small fan that pushes more air inside. More air plus more fuel equals more power. That's why the car can drive through mud, pull a trailer, climb mountains. If we make it even simpler, the engine is lungs breathing air, a strong fighter compressing, small controlled explosions, and big power that turns the wheels.